At 4 in the morning, I had this little person come in my room and he said, "Mommy, I have a headache." Here was this healthy, swimming, vivacious, happy, tan little boy. And then the next minute, he was going in for 7 hours worth of brain surgery. And he says, "Mommy, quit crying. I'm gonna be fine. Just quit crying." And then after the 7 hours, the neurosurgeon came in and said it was a whopping tumor. And I'll never forget that as long as I live. We had a caseworker from Blue Cross Blue Shield. She didn't want money. She didn't want my Blue Cross Blue Shield card, which now could be bronzed. She just wanted to be there to know what Hunt needed. She wanted to know what I needed. Blue Cross Blue Shield had a nurse come to our house, and we could have had her 24/7. They didn't seem to say no to much of anything. We were able to get through the most horrible time in our lives. And now I have my little boy back.